Hello everyone. Today is Sunday of Fun Day. Did you know what I am going to make today? Today I am going to make water fireworks. I am Dhyan. Welcome you all to my channel. Before we start, like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start with water firework experiment. For this we need one bowl, one spatula, 1 cup of 10 ml of oil, 3 food color and 1 glass of water. Let's start with experiment. First we have to add 10 ml of oil into the bowl. And then we have to add 3 food colors one by one. We have to add 3 to 4 drops of red color. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we are going to add yellow color. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now we have to add a blue color. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I use 3 color, but you can use 2 or 3 colors. Now let's mix with spatula. Now let's fill the water and don't forget to leave this space at the top. Now it's time to see water fireworks. For that we have to add mixer into the glass. You can see the water fireworks. See, wow. Did you see the food color will start to slowly fall down into the water like fireworks? Do you know why this happens? Because the oil layers prevents the color from mixing with water all at once. This is because oil and water do not mix. Thank you for watching my video.
तो रुको जरा सबर करो।
Start.
I will meet you in next video. Bye bye.